Brown sugar and fall, how do we work together? Well, brown sugar at its core is actually a less refined sugar with the addition of a little bit of molasses. That molasses is able to break down the sugar for a much softer, sweet texture with that caramelization. So when we're adding molasses, think about the sweet that comes out of that. And by refining, it is a much thinner grain or texture. So you don't necessarily have to cook it out like a sugar. So you don't have to bring it to a boil in order to dissolve the brown sugar. Now let's talk about we've talked about sweet. Let's go into savory with brown sugar, right? Who thinks of savory and brown sugar? Well, we made it in the bread pudding here, but let's think about this. When you're thinking about a savory dish in brown sugar, think about coatings and crustings. And so you could take just imagine taking a dry cornflake, crush that up with a little bit of brown sugar and put that as a light rub against a sea bass and sear it in a salamander. I'm talking heaven. So there you have sweet and savory with brown sugar.